Okay, in this lesson we are going to learn how to do a unit test. So here we have some information about unit testing, and in order to do a new test we will create a new project. We'll choose Maven project and we will call it first unit test. We'll choose this window, and here it opens the POM XML, and we are going to the source main Java, and we will create a class called calculation. And we will want to have, for example, a method that sums two numbers. It will have two parameters, and it will return x plus y. So we want to test if it is working, and we will go to main and we will create the main class, and we will add the main method. So we want to create an instance of calculation, and once we have that, we can call the calculation dot sum two numbers with parameters, for example, with arguments 5 and 2. And we probably want to print the result. We can call this result with be of type double and print the result. Once we execute the method, we will get 7, and we will probably want to go to calculation and check if this is working correctly in other cases, for example. So in order to do the first unit test, we will do this. We'll go to test folder that is generated automatically with Maven projects, and we will create Java new Java class. We will put calculation test. This is the usual way to call the calculations, the test, using test at the end of the name of the class. So we probably want we will want to call the method and test it. So we will put public void sum two numbers test. This will be another method, and in order to use the sum two number test, what we will do is create an instance of calculation, and then we will want to use something called assertions. So we will do this. In the POM XML, you will want to add the dependencies. With this dependency, you will be able to test the calculation using assertions. Okay, so in the POM, you will want to refresh in order to process the added dependency, and then you will have access to assertions class and to the assert equals method. With this, we can check that the method is working correctly. How? Well, we can create an actual variable that calls the number, the sum two numbers, and then we will see that the assert equals needs the expected output and the actual output, and then we will put test annotation. and now we can run the test. As we can see, the test has passed, and we are verifying that this is working okay.